guys, welcome back. So I'm doing another what I eat in a day today on my channel. I just filmed one recently, but you guys gave me such amazing feedback about doing them more frequently and wanting to see them on my channel even more. So that's what we're doing. I think I'm gonna do them maybe, a few times a month or every other week. We'll see what happens. They're pretty easy to film, so I don't see why not just, picking up my camera every once in a while to film my day of gluten-free eating. But if this is your first time on my channel, I do have a gluten intolerance and I have so much content for you on my channel, on my Instagram, even on my blog. I will link all of that below so you guys can check it out. But for this video, we're just doing a simple what I eat in a day, just cataloging everything I'm eating on this normal Tuesday while I work from home as a gluten-free gal. So if you'd like some recommendations and some meal ideas, please keep watching. Okay, a little bit hungry, but not really ready for breakfast yet. This is the perfect time for my date bars. These are so good with coffee, so good in the afternoon. I'm good to kind of hold you over in the morning just as a snack. Dates, coconut, almonds, dark chocolate. What else? There's so much goodness in here and they're so tasty. So I make them about once a month. It's from the True Roots cookbook. I'm going to show you guys the recipe so you can screenshot it if you want. But I highly recommend these. I use Hue chocolate on the top for the dark chocolate. You guys already know I love my Hue chocolate. I talked about it in my last what I eat in a day. I do have a code. I think it's just Truly Jamie. So you can get 20% off. But let me pull up the recipe to show you guys. I love this cookbook. If you guys haven't checked it out, I'll link it below. I have all of these recipes saved that I want to make or ones that I've already made and just want to be able to go back and look. So this recipe is starting to look a little weathered because of how much I make it, but here is the Date Delight Bar recipe. They're so good. If you like dates, if you like coconut, you're gonna love these. I had someone tell me they taste like Almond Joy, which is really good too. So I also have this on my Instagram if this is a little bit hard to see, if you guys wanted to go check that out. But yeah, gonna eat one of these and get back to getting ready. Before I get into any of the meals, I have to share I'm collaborating with Caraway on today's video. I'm so excited. I have been eyeing these pots and pans for months now. My brother-in-law actually just got them, so I've used them a few times at his house and they're so nice. So the unique thing about these pots and pans is that they're non-stick and non-toxic, which is huge because many non-stick pans are coated in chemicals and just things that are really bad for you, especially if they start to scrape off. And these are ceramic coated, non-toxic, non-stick. So I feel really amazing about using them, but also they look stunning. So this set comes with the fry pan, the Dutch oven and lid, the saucepan with a lid, and then the saute pan with a lid. Some little pot holders too, which are really nice. I actually use these a lot. And it even comes with storage organization. I'll put a picture up on the screen so you guys can see. So this is just like a dream. Like I told you guys, I have been eyeing these for months and wanted to purchase them with my own money. So now the fact that I'm working with them is just, I mean, it doesn't get any better. So I'm really excited to be sharing it with you guys. If you guys are interested in picking anything up, I will have a link in the description box. It's gonna save you 10% off. It'll automatically apply at checkout. I'm sure you guys will see them in future what I eat in a days. So I'm gonna be using this fry pan for some eggs right now. And I think that's it for the moment, but you guys will be seeing everything else in future videos. Like I said, let's get into breakfast. I'm gonna have one of these cauliflower hash browns with an egg and I think avocado or something, we'll see. But I wanted to share these on my channel. I've posted about them on my Instagram story. They're so good. I am actually obsessed with them. This is what they look like. It's frozen, obviously. I personally love potatoes and I feel like I eat them so frequently. So I feel like if there's somewhere I could make like a slight adjustment where I'm not constantly eating them, I think that's a good way to go. So the cauliflower is actually so tasty. I'm not a huge cauliflower person either. I wouldn't say these taste exactly like potatoes, so don't like try them and be disappointed. They kind of have their own flavor, but the same consistency. You can get them crispy. I think they're so good. So I get them at Sprouts and I'm gonna make an egg with them. I like to just pop it in the oven on broil until it's a little bit crispy. Kind of flip it a few times. You gotta watch it, make sure it doesn't burn, but I prefer that over like cooking it in oil on the stove. So I'm not really in the mood to blend up my entire green smoothie that you guys always see. So I'm just doing kind of like my lazy girl version where it's just these two shaken up with some almond milk, just, you know, classic protein shake. I'm doing the Stout Nutrition Cacao. I've talked about that many times now, and the Vital Proteins collagen. Less dishes, I don't have to wash the whole blender. It's just easier this morning to do something a little bit faster. Got my egg in my Caraway fry pan. You guys can see how non-stick this is. I do have just like a little bit of butter in there, but pretty good. So this is actually my first egg in this pan, but I think it's done. I'm gonna pull it out. Went a little overboard on the crispiness for my hash brown, but that's what it looks like when it's cooked. And this might be the lazy girl protein shake, but you still gotta make it look presentable. And it's so nice out, so I am eating outside. This is what breakfast is looking like. I'm gonna cut the egg so you guys can see a little runny egg action. Actually, I don't know if this is gonna be very runny. I feel like I kind of overcooked it because I was distracted by filming this video. But so nice out. Give you guys a little palm tree moment. Yes, so nice. I love eating outside. It's just makes me happy. That's the ideal bite. A little egg, hash brown, avocado. So tasty. So I'm having a little snack. I'm doing a PB&J rice cake, one of my favorites. I really love these brown rice thin stackers because they aren't dry since they're thinner. They're just perfect. I'm having the Sprouts peanut butter, it's so good. And then this jam is one of my favorites. I'm having the blackberry today, but I also really, really love their raspberry. And don't knock it till you try it. I swear, it's so good. Finally have a bag to show you guys the coffee that I drink. So this is Teeman's coffee. It's low acid. It's actually my family business. My dad owns it. So I'm pretty much stocked on coffee all the time. The dark roast is my personal favorite. I'll link it below so you guys can check it out. And if you want to support, and this is my favorite creamer. So we're doing burgers tonight. If you guys can hear Ellie eating in the background, that's what that noise is. I gave her a little plate of food, but these are the best gluten-free hamburger buns. So much better than the Udis. Sorry Udis, but these are just superior. They're great for burgers, but also as like a sandwich roll. They're just really, really tasty. So I've cut up some white onion. I'm gonna do some grilled onions to make like a little homemade In-N-Out spread. And then I'm gonna do some sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna get these in the oven because they take longer than everything else. And then start on the sauce or the spread, whatever. One of my favorite kitchen tools, the salad spinner. Doing a voiceover for this part because it was so loud in my kitchen. This salad, I kind of just threw it together. Romaine lettuce, avocado, sunflower seeds, Parmesan cheese, and then like a homemade creamy dressing. And this is how my dinner all came together. This burger patty is ginormous, and I was laughing because this burger literally looks like a Krabby Patty, and I really packed on the spread. It was delicious. I love a good burger, especially in the summer, you know? And that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you're liking the gluten-free videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment below. Tell me what you think. You know, just say hi, whatever. I would love to hear from you guys. I'll have everything linked below, from videos just like this one to my gluten-free grocery list that's on my blog. So if you want to download that, that'll be in the description box. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.